Yeah. Rolling? Yeah, let me first congratulate you that you're opening a Lakme saloon. So what do you have to add up? Like, what's new for the woman?
I think being a woman, you have to be proud that you're a woman because a woman today is no lesser than a man. Though it is a male-centric society and dominated world, you can say. In spite of that, I think a woman is, off late, she is holding her position. They are also coming up. We're no lesser than men. So I'm proud to be a woman, and I'm sure everybody is proud to be a woman.
What about, like, how woman is important? Like, for fashion, how fashion is related to a woman? How you correlate?
Fashion is definitely, I think it has to be related, both men and women. Because if there is, what can I say, a positive and a negative, so it's like that. So nobody is positive or nobody is negative. But what I'm trying to say is, in today's world, a woman is as important as a man. Because I think without a woman, I'm talking about not only in the fashion sense, but in the other sense as well, it's like a yin and yang. So if one is a male, one is a female. So they balance each other. And I think in today's world, a woman is she's very, very important.
Are you looking for a project where, you get more of, women weightage related roles?
Not necessarily, but somewhere down the line that is also probably required. But saying that, I won't say that I'll do that back to back because let's face it that we are in an industry which is male driven, and if you do probably a one-off like an Arundhati or something did very well. But saying that, I'm not saying all the films which are female oriented have done well. Arundhati was an exception. After that, we're trying our best. So let's see.
Last question. What is the beauty for you, for a woman? Like anything you can add up.
You're asking the wrong person.
No. What is beauty means for you at least?
Beauty for me is just how you feel within. It's not necessary that you have to be dolled up. You don't have to look glamorous 24/7. You can look even glamorous in a very non-glamorous dress, if I can say. You can look glamorous even in a jeans pant and t-shirt or a track pant and t-shirt. Basically, for me, it is how you carry yourself. If you carry yourself well in that dress, you look stylish and you look beautiful. For you, you need to feel beautiful first. If people find you beautiful, well and good. If they don't, well, you're not dressing up for them. You're dressing up for yourself. You have to look beautiful for yourself. That is. Thank you.